Hello, my name is Mauricio Moraes, and I will be showing you a demo of the account creation and the seller side of the application, so the whole inventory. Let's open the program. When we open the program, we get the login screen. Let's create a new account. And just to show the account creation, we can give it any name and a short password and check seller, create account, and it will give us an error that the password must be 6 to 20 in length and only alphanumeric characters. So we have requirements for username and password. So now let's give it a different username. So let's say seller test, password 123, sellers checked, and create account. So now it says account created. And now we enter our information in the login screen, and we are taken to the inventory. Now in the inventory, on the top part of the frame, we have the global costs, revenue, and profit. The costs are basically calculated by every time you add a product to the store. It'll multiply the quantity of the product times its invoice price and add it to the global costs. And also when you add it to a product and increase its quantity, it'll also affect the cost. And that is how the cost is calculated. The revenue, every time a customer buys something, gets added to the global revenue, and the profit is basically the revenue minus the cost. Next we have products in inventory, and you can press the plus button to add a new product, and below we have the window with the products in the inventory. And lastly, we have the search bar, where you can either type a product ID or part of a product's name. So if I type 1 and press enter, it'll show the product with ID 1. And if I type shirt and press enter, it'll show the products with shirt in their name. And that is how the search bar works. If you type enter with the clear field, then it shows every product. Now let's show the product edition. So we're going to press the plus sign. And here we have the window to add a new product. We can give it a name, test product, description, and in the description we can have multiple lines. For the type, we have to click to select a type, and you can control click to select multiple types. So we can say these 3 types. We give it a price, invoice and selling, and a quantity, and create product. And notice how the cost is going to increase when I create this product. And product created. And it showed down here, so the inventory updates itself and shows the new product. Now we can also edit this product. If we click on the edit button, and here we have the product with its information, so we can change, say, the product name and say discounted, and down here we can click discounted to make it a discounted product and give it a whole number. So let's say 10% discount, and notice how the test product is going to change its name and its price. Product saved, and now it says test product discounted, and the price is now 99 instead of 110. And we can create a new product to create a bundle product. To do that, you have to create a new product and select bundle product. Let's give it a name, any description, select any types we want, and now we have to type the product IDs separated by commas. So say if we want to bundle products 2 and 6, we would type 2, 6 and give it any stock we want. So now the bundle product test is created, and its invoice price and selling price are automated. So the invoice price will be the combination of the invoice prices of every product in the bundle, and the same as for selling price. Lastly, you can delete any product you wish to just by clicking the delete, and the product is deleted. And now just to show you persistence, I can close this inventory window to close the program, and if I open the program again, I can type in the same username that I used, which I believe was test seller. Yes. And here we have the inventory, the costs remained, the profit is still the same, and we have this discounted product that we created and the bundle product with which we deleted, so it's no longer here. And that is it for the demo. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Tristan. I'm with Mercutio for COP4331 Object Oriented Design Program Project Shopping Cart. I wanted to show the customer side of things, whereas Mercutio showed the seller. So we're going to start off. I've already got the frame loaded from this shopping cart exe. I'm going to start by putting in a customer username that I created earlier and the password for it. Then I'll click login. That brings up this catalog frame with all of the various things. If I click on cart, you'll see that previously I've added things to my cart. But I can add to cart again, and I will get a frame that gives a short description. So the product name is apples. What is its description? How many are in stock? Let's add 5 of them. Then I get another notice frame stating that 5 of them are added to my cart. If I go to my cart, I can see that there are indeed 5 apples in my cart. I can close that. I can also hit product details on any of these to get a frame of the description. So I've got the name, the description, the selling price, and the available stock. I can click OK. I could do this for any of the products. And I can add any of the products to my cart, including this ring. Let's put 2 of them in there. 2 of them are added to my cart. And if I go to my cart, I can see what my total price is, how many things are in my cart, including the shirts I added previously. I can then hit checkout and get a checkout frame that gives me a place to put my address and credit card number. It also includes the grand total of my cart. I can then put in whatever my address is and whatever my card number is. It's definitely that one. I can then hit submit, and I will get a notice frame stating that the order has been submitted. If I hit OK, I can see that in the catalog, my quantities in stock have updated. I took 5 out of the apples, I took 5 out of the t-shirts, and I took 2 out of the rings. This was originally 10, this was originally 20, and this was originally 10. I can also use this search bar function in case I want to search for a particular item. Let's say it's the apples. I hit enter and I get the list of things. If I get rid of it and hit enter, I get back to my original product list. And if I go to something that doesn't exist, I get nothing. I can also see that if I hit my cart, it is now empty. I have checked out, so there's nothing in it. If I hit checkout, nothing will happen anyway. And I believe that's all you need to know. Thank you very much for watching.